In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stop-loss order on Tradovate. We'll cover two clean ways to do it. The recommended ATM strategy for automatic protection as you enter a trade, and a manual approach for adding a stop to an existing position. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each setting means, and how to choose the right stop order type. Let's start with the ATM strategy. Open either the Super DOM or the chart module. Use whichever you prefer for placing orders. Look for the ATM dropdown. If you already have a strategy saved, select it. If not, click the gear icon to configure a new one. In the configuration, set your stop loss in ticks. A tick is the smallest price movement for your instrument. Also, think in terms of how many ticks away from my entry do I want my risk to be? If you also want an automatic target, you can add a take profit in ticks as well. Before you place any order, make sure the strategy is toggled. On, that toggle is what attaches the stop automatically. Now place your entry, buy or sell, right from the chart or the DOM. As soon as your order is live, your stop loss appears immediately on the chart or DOM as a linked order, reflecting the tick distance you set. If you're already in a trade and need to add protection, use the manual method. Go to the Positions tab and find your open position. Right-click it and choose Exit Strategy or Bracket to add a stop loss to that position. A bracket adds predefined protective and target orders around your trade. You can also do it visually from the chart by clicking and dragging to place a stop loss order at your desired price level. If you prefer using the DOM, right-click at the specific price, select Stop, then choose the type. Stop market or stop limit. A stop market becomes a market order when triggered and is generally the most dependable for getting you out. A stop limit obeys your limit price but can miss fills in fast markets, so use it only if you understand that trade-off. After placing your stop, confirm it's working by checking the order display on the chart or the DOM and ensuring it's active. Keep your tick settings aligned with the instrument's tick size and your risk tolerance. That's it. Use the ATM strategy for seamless protection on new trades, or add a manual stop to
Order
safeguard an
filled.
existing position.